Hey, and welcome to Witchcrafty. It's been a while since I've made a Minecraft plushie, and with the release of bees a while ago, I finally got around to making a free template and tutorial. Here's a list of everything you need. I use felt to create the pixel shape, but results may vary if you use a different fabric. I've seen people create the wings with white net material, and if you did want to do that, cut out the wings the same from the pattern and only cut out some white felt squares to stick to those pieces. The pattern is linked in the description and is for free for my DeviantArt. This is scaled to an A4 piece of paper. Make sure to add seam as my patterns do not include it. The first thing you need to do is to take one of the 4 large yellow rectangles and sew the longer side of the smallest brown rectangles to one of the shorter sides, keeping the tracing all on one side. Repeat this for the remaining 3 pieces. Then, on one side with no tracing, place 2 of the 8 brown rectangles so that they're evenly spaced on one of the body sides and sew them on using a backstitch or a running stitch. Repeat this for the remaining 3 sides, making sure that before you join them that they align with each other. Take 2 of the 12 small brown squares and place them together with the tracing facing up and join them together, leaving one short side open. Repeat this to create the remaining 5 legs. After you're done, tuck in the excess seam on the legs and use an invisible stitch to join them to one of the body sides. This part will now be the bottom of the body. Take the 2 black square pieces and repeat the same process that you just did with each of the legs. Tuck in the excess seam and take the largest brown square and join it to the centre with an invisible stitch in the centre of the side with no tracing. Then take the 2 wing pieces and join them at an angle along one of the body sides on the side with no tracing. Take the remaining 2 side pieces and join the yellow square between both of them along one side for each piece. Flip this the right side up and join the largest black square so it overlaps one of the seams a little. For all of the details of the face, I'll be using a backstitch or a running stitch. Repeat for the second eye above the other seam on the other side. Then join both of the small white squares in the corner of each black square to create an eye glint. Above each eye, sew on the black squares. Take 2 of the 4 black antenna pieces and join them together with the tracing facing up, leaving the smallest side open. Once done, flip it the right way around and tuck in the seam. Repeat for the remaining 2 pieces. Use an invisible stitch to join these on the inner side of the black squares that you just joined. Begin assembling the body together by sewing the side with legs to the bottom side of the face, joining the sides along with it to form a tube. Make sure that before you join it that the legs will be the correct way around when it's flipped the right way up. Then join the remaining side pieces to the side with wings. Tuck in the wings so that they don't get caught, and make sure it's the right way around or the seam ripper may have to make a visit. Once all the yellow sides are joined, begin sewing the brown sides together so that the thread blends. Begin joining the brown square and the stinger on once you reach the longer edge. Continue around the edges until you only have enough gap to flip the plush the right way up. Once flipped, stuff it generously so it forms shape and close off the gap with an invisible stitch. And that is how you make a Minecraft bee plushie. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below on ideas that you'd like to see me make next. And while you're at it, why don't you go check out my other videos? I upload new videos every single week. Thanks for watching, bye!